Them don't arrest one 65-year-old man wey go rape him stepmother. This one happened inside Ekiti. Ekiti people, I know, and they surprised how person go rape his stepmother. Your own, in fact, this person is your mama. So which kind of urge, which kind of love you can't get for this woman, so you can't go rape him. This man, when they talk, say in name now, Duro Dollar Kayode Ogundele, now be this man name, and this thing happened inside Ayetoro, where they inside Ekiti. They talk, say this man, hey, say this kind of old man, and step picking. This kind of baba, which young people won't call themselves. And this kind of man, you still there your parents' house, I know they understand. What did they find? As the matter be, they say this kind of step son. Say the woman husband don't die. So it be like say this man still dey live with this woman. And say on a normal day, this woman, this 85-year-old woman, say her leg they pain her. So she'd always call this man, make this man come help her, massage her leg. Now for there, be like say this thing come graphic, be an love, be an loss. Now there this thing can't build up. See as this man they try help this woman to do the leg before we go see. This man don't carry this woman, forcefully rape her. 85-year-old woman. Now your thing they stand up for. Hey, our brothers, men. Now wow, I think say person wey don old like this, their thing no they stand up again. I think say they go don't even go rest because the thing go don't tire them. But they say at this man rape this woman, he don't even go one round. Say he go round one, can't go round two. My people, you go round two on top of your mama. Person when you call your mama, you don't even pity her. This is what you do now. See no, you can't even still do one 2 times. Hey, it means say this woman under the thing sweet and well. For them to go second time, it means that the thing sweet and but this kind of thing na sin. My people, this thing na abomination. Because this one na your step. In fact, I know they surprise again. If you see all this kind of picture like this, just know say na rape. If person face don't strong squeeze like this, you don't know say na rape matter. Because he don't know say he don't commit offense. So instead go come squeeze in face, do one somehow so that people go dey pity him. But this kind of matter, nobody go pity you. You don't even respect your old age. Say, you don't old though. You be 65 years old. You will be the person going to call you grandpa. Some people go even call you grandpa. You don't old. Now you can't still get power. You get energy. Go they pounce on top of your papa wife. Hey, human being. The kind of things what they do, they fear me. In fact, different kinds of abomination now don't happen for Nigeria. You get the one when I never hear it. Because every day, new abomination. And this woman body, I don't understand. What is sweet you for this woman body? Because 85-year-old woman, the woman face go down squeeze, her body go down. So waiting hungry you for there. That means it means that since when this man, papa married this woman, this boy I don't do for this woman body. That means every time when we say this woman, they even there. This boy don't they trip for this woman. It just be say in the words making papa die before he go come do what he won't do. I be as if they help this woman massage the leg. Maybe the leg too fine. I be the leg so seductive where we say he no fit control himself because I know they understand. How 85-year-old woman leg won't stay fresh where we say now this kind of leg now go come hungry, come push you into doing things. Some people I feel saying that their mindset. Their mind just they evil. The two way they their mind, it already did their sins. Because if this man just they, I no talk say now conji hold this one. He don't already plan him. He don't know say okay now this kind of thing now I won't do. He don't already know what he won't do before he executes this thing. So as he be like this, I don't know which kind of punishment they won't give him. Because this man don't old. How many years now they won't give this kind of person? What be say go conde? I can't even now the grandmama go report. I be who even go catch them these people. Because I they look say she go even see the picture and say na in son. But this kind of thing, even your mama no go even feel pity you because the thing where you do is no good. Old man like you, normally supposed to marry. Come out from that even house. Go rent your own house. You and your family make na day there. Now here you can't think and say, now your mama, now you won't go to rape. Ekiti people now so now they do. Because this one na first time why they hear the person they rape in your own mama. This one not be in stepmother. And first time why they hear this kind of thing, it means that things they happen. Sin they happen. Our abomination, it don't over much. It don't too plenty. Wickedness they this one now wickedness. Because me I never see him as rape. I say now wickedness. The man just want test waiting papa they test. He want to be the thing sweet or I be no sweet. My people now this one I see I can't make her bring and come making herself hear what thing they happen. Anything when I feel about this whole matter, making her not forget to write them inside the comment section. Making her not forget to like or share and also subscribe to this channel. I will see you now for the next video. our honorable president Muhammadu Buhari don come outside talk say him administration don lift out people out of poverty o. Him talk say as Nigerians in fact we no even dey suffer at all, say everybody dey live fine for this internal, say people dey okay, and him claim say this in administration e lift out 10.5 million Nigerians out of poverty. This one overshock me. Make una watch the video from where him talk this kind thing.
In the last 2 years, we lifted 10.5 million people out of poverty. Farmers, small-scale traders, artisans, market women, and the like. I am very convinced that this 100 million target can be met, and this informed the development of a national poverty reduction with growth strategy.
Una don see am abi? Him talk say small scale traders, artisans, market women and some other people say the standard of their living say e don improve since when he enter. I con dey wonder, Mr. Buhari abeg, which database you use to calculate this one? Because me as I know myself like this, I know say my standard of living e never pass where e dey o. Na management na me I still dey do. So as you come confirm this kind matter, I no come understand. E be like say na 10.5 million cows na im mean. I no sure say na human being na im dey talk about. Because I come dey look how this thing improve. Wey be say right now insecurity don even dey very high for Nigeria. Every day kidnapping they go on, killing they happen. Now you come they think am say now things really improve for you. Say now standard of living of people increase. In fact, this thing it shock me. This kind lie where this man lie, he over shock me. Why president go just sit down they think of lie on how to just make in country good? When people will be citizens inside this country know say the thing way they do, they even do am well. So why can't come when they talk another thing? This whole thing now, him talk say him don lift out poverty, and me I come dey surprise. This poverty where you lift out, you don't forget say unemployment still dey this country. Say people no even get work. Inflation don rise. In fact, everything don cost for market. Tin tomato wey dey sell 15 naira before, e don enter 150. So I don't know where this man dey get him own thing. Now so many destruction of business based on all this fighting and killing. People don't lose their business because of this whole bandit thing. People don't lose business. Things don't. How many farmers they don't kill for this your tenure? How many people don't die for this your tenure before? All this thing now, it on the high side though. So I don't know as you calculate your own. The one where even can surprise me, I think the calculator in talk say in give 5,000 naira to 1 million Nigerians. I beg if na dey inside the people who collect this money, make na indicator because me 10 naira. Where in fact 10 naira no even buy pure water. I no see collect o. So people wey collect am make na come outside talk this one. And he talk say he give 1.3 million Nigerians palliative. This palliative wey be say we hear na people even go thief smuggle this palliative carry o. Na in this man they talk say he give am out to people. And even all this thing wey he mention as we sum am up this thing no even reach 10.5 million. You see say this man he mago too much. As some people they talk bad, and so some people say they praise and say this Buhari they talk they do well. But for me, for my own side though, I never see what this man they do. Apart from so okay fine, he don't inaugurate trade and they build something, but aside that one, I never see work where this man they do. The one where can even bust everything, we can bust my mind now what did they even call a World Bank? They come as I talk say the rise of prices go push 7 million additional Nigerians into poverty. On a hear I talk, the rise of prices it go push 7 million additional Nigerians. That means the ones where they before on a still they now 7 million people. That means people who even claim say they get money. Now them say they go come add to people where they before. Say everybody now we won't come join into poverty association. In fact, I forbid this kind of thing for my life. I forbid and for everybody when they even watch this kind of thing. Where this World Bank they talk. Now because of say waiting, things don't they overrise. As it be like this, everything don't cost for Nigeria. Something maybe say you go even dey normal, say na cheap money go you stay buy am. No be so again for this our country. Everything don't increase unnecessarily. Now I make World Bank self consider and think and say this one where Buhari talk say 10.5 million Nigerians they know they even suffer, they know they live anything where they near to poverty. I just say come calculate and talk say if you like say based on waiting this Buhari they talk, in no waiting they talk with them say they can't tell us say in fact 7 million people go come join this whole league. Now wow my people make we get ready, make we start. I don't know what everybody won't go they do. Now to dey gather money because e be like say things go dey change for the good o, things wan spoil be that. But everything dey worse. They even come talk say the high inflation na im dey even worse this poverty, and e go bring down business activities for the country. That is, people wey even get business. In fact, this one wey we dey see, wey we dey complain say things cost, we never even see foco. Na now new things dey come wey be say people business will go even sleep for one place. People no go even get money do things again. I come dey wonder, President Buhari, na this kind thing you want for your citizen? E be like say this man and im government people, they just wan make we dey suffer, make them dey enjoy this money. Because this whole thing now wey dey do for this country, who you dey favour? Now you go come outside talk say you wan come contest for some. Who wan vote for you? Na yourself you dey give this bad name, because now all the whole country, everybody for the world, they don't know say Nigeria no be good place. Nobody wan even associate that. In fact, if you hear say, if they hear say you be Nigerian, then they run comot from your side. They no even wan give the least opportunity to any Nigerian person now, because they fear say Nigerians, they be terrorists, they be killers. On top of say waiting, because of how our country be, how bad things dey happen, I make people dey talk all this kind thing. No? So how we wan come take do am now? How so like this you wan leave this and make things just dey go like this? Oga Buhari, when you come, na change na you call am. But this kind change now, e don dey enter. I don't know the kind change wey go. This one na bad change. This one no be any good thing, because since you enter this power, na bad things now we just dey occur. Today bandit, tomorrow kidnapping. Wetin come happen? You thought say you wan carry us from prosperity, now na poverty. Now you don carry us dey go inside deep poverty. Abeg o, we dey beg you, find something do about this matter, because e be like say Nigerians, they don dey cry too much. See protest wey they do, all in the name of Buhari must go. If say you be good president, nobody go come outside come talk say Buhari must go. Nobody go come outside come dey face you, dey challenge you, say things dey happen. But now you dey claim deaf ear. I think say you don go treat that ear wey dey pain you, they don help you clean am. So you suppose don dey hear wetin the country people dey talk about now, say change this land, try do something about this whole thing wey dey happen. Because this one now wey they don dey assure us say this poverty rate go increase. This one now they go dey put fear for inside normal person life. Because person wey be say, that means person wey dey even see manage chop. It means say the person no go dey see anything chop again as the country don dey go. We know say things hard, we know say things dey change, but abeg find something do about this whole matter. Find, I no know as na want to be a meeting I go do. And all this lie wey they lie say you give some people money, abeg me I no collect any money. My fellow Nigerians, if una know say na collect, make una talk and say yes na collect. And if una dey suffer, make una no even come outside come talk say una dey suffer, because una don already collect on her right. They don pay on her. But as for me, I get my right to talk my mind. As e dey vex me, now they talk am so. Abeg Mr. Buhari, find something do. The change where you talk say you want change, do that change. This kind of change where you talk na opposite change. Now it be we no want am. Abeg, we dey beg you. This kind of matter now here, I can say make her bring am for na ear, make una self hear wetin our president talk about. Make una no forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. I go see you for our next video.